Hello everyone, welcome to August's unboxing video. August's theme is sea glass, so we have all sorts of stuff to give you some beachy vibes. First off is the Mermaid Life 2 plate. This is a fun new plate from UberChic Beauty. It just launched this summer. And then I have the Pure Color number 3 brush from What's Up Nails. This one is a short square bristle brush. And we have the brush holder in this month's box. So this guy is great. You just put your brushes right on there. And we have the P Plus color from Light Elegance. This is the white meringue. And then last but not least, this is actually my first time seeing these guys. They're really cool. So we're calling them the water crystals. So if you take a look at these, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but they actually are like a little glass ball on top of a iridescent white background. So you have that A-B effect. But these are pretty cool. So they add some texture and dimension to your nail art. And of course they have them in the littler sizes in here as well, so they don't stick up quite as much. But yeah, these are pretty neat. So just another something to add to your art collection. Nail Basics Flex, and if you are unfamiliar with the Nail Basics gel line, this is our thinnest builder gel. So it is a clear builder, and you can see it is quite thin, quite viscous. This is really great for all nail types. This particular product was formulated to go on all nails, so it does have strength, but also quite a bit of flexibility.